Installing Minecraft Audio Desync can enhance your gaming experience by addressing sound issues. Follow these steps to resolve audio desync in Minecraft. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Minecraft smoothly. This includes having adequate RAM, a compatible graphics card, and updated drivers. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Launch Minecraft and navigate to the audio settings. Lower the volume levels for music and sound effects, and then gradually increase them to find a balance that minimizes desync issues. Step 4. Modify Java settings. If you are using the Java edition, adjust the Java settings. Open the launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and increase the allocated RAM under JVM arguments to improve performance. Step 5. Use performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods such as Optifine or other audio-related mods that can help sync audio better. Follow the mod installation instructions carefully to integrate them into your game. By following these steps, you should be able to address audio desync issues in Minecraft effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.